Hey everyone, it's Lewis here. You've probably heard about Kajabi's 30-day free trial, or if I told you there's more. In today's video, I'll show you how to make the most out of that trial, and as a bonus, I'm giving you some exclusive freebies when you sign up using my link to supercharge your Kajabi journey. You'll get instant access to my Kajabi Jumpstart course, where I'll guide you step by step through everything you need to know to get Kajabi up and running for your business. Plus, I'm also giving away my premium Notion templates, valued at over $900 completely free. The best part? You'll get immediate access to both the course and the templates as soon as you sign up. So don't miss out. Check the link in the description below to grab your free trial and bonuses today. More on that later, but for now, let's start by taking a quick look at what makes Kajabi stand out with its powerful features. First off, let's talk about what makes Kajabi different from other online business tools. Many people use separate tools for email marketing, website building, checkout systems, and more. That can work, but it often means dealing with multiple subscriptions, messy integrations, and wasting time fixing tech issues. But Kajabi changes that. It's an all-in-one platform that lets you host your digital products, design your website, automate email campaigns, and more all in one place. Everything is connected, so you spend less time managing different tools and more time focusing on your business. The newly rebranded Kajabi site shows how creators have earned over $9 billion using the platform. When you visit kajabi.com, you'll see the tagline: dream it, build it, and monetize it. This really sums up Kajabi's purpose. You could take what you know, your skills, knowledge, or perspective, and turn it into an online business. Additionally, Kajabi now showcases how you can diversify your income streams. You could create online courses, coaching programs, membership communities, newsletters, or even sell digital downloads. The platform keeps improving to give you more options to share your skills and knowledge. It's trusted by a wide range of experts like athletes, authors, public speakers, and entrepreneurs who want to turn their passion into a brand. Now, let's head over to my Kajabi account and discuss some of its main features and how they can help you build an online business. One of the best features is the built-in website builder. You don't have to deal with a complicated design tool because Kajabi's interface is super easy to use. You can customize your homepage, about page, sales page, and more, all without coding knowledge. The themes are clean, modern, and automatically adjust to look great on mobile devices. You won't have to do any extra work to make your site mobile friendly. Plus, if you want to change the layout or update your branding, it only takes a few clicks to get it done. Another highlight is the email marketing feature. You don't need to pay for a separate email service because Kajabi lets you handle your entire subscriber list in one place. You could create automated emails to welcome new subscribers, send them a freebie, or even promote a product. If you're launching something, you can schedule multiple emails to go out over a few days. This helps build excitement for your course or membership. Because everything is in one system, it's simple to track who clicked your links or bought your offer. This makes it easy to see what's working and what isn't. Plus, Kajabi makes it super easy to handle payments and checkouts. You could connect your Stripe or PayPal account and start selling right away. Whether you're offering one-time purchases, monthly subscriptions, or payment plans, Kajabi has options for all of them. On top of that, Kajabi's analytics give you real-time updates on sales, sign-ups, and more. You could quickly check how many people joined your email list this week, how many visited your sales page, and how many made a purchase. If you have this info, you can adjust your marketing strategy. Now, you might be wondering why it's better to use one all-in-one platform instead of a bunch of different tools. Well, using multiple services isn't bad, but it can get frustrating. When you have to manage different subscriptions, learn how to use each tool, and fix integration problems, it can drain your time and energy. Kajabi fixes those problems. It gives you one login and a single dashboard to manage everything. You don't have to juggle different services anymore. Instead of paying for separate tools for your website, email marketing, course creation, and payments, Kajabi combines it all into one easy-to-use platform. For example, instead of using WordPress for your website, MailChimp for emails, Teachable for courses, and Zapier to connect them, Kajabi puts it all in one simple dashboard. One of the biggest reasons I'm excited to share this with you is the extended 30-day free trial Kajabi offers through my partner link. Normally, if you go directly to Kajabi's website, you'll only get a 14-day free trial. That's fine, but 30 days gives you so much more time to really try things out. In 2 weeks, you'd probably only have enough time to set up a landing page or test out one email sequence. But with 30 days, you could do so much more. You could launch a mini course, run a full marketing campaign, and even get real feedback from your audience. The best part is you don't need to pay anything up front. After 30 days, if you feel Kajabi isn't for you, you can cancel without any issue. But honestly, Most people who actually start building their product or membership site realize how simple and helpful it is. So they decide to stay. That's exactly what happened to me. At first, I kept things small and took my time getting used to the platform. The more I used it, the more my confidence grew. After a while, I was launching product after product and everything just made sense. Ever since then, I've stuck with it. It's made a huge difference for me. Because I'm a Kajabi partner, I can give you more than just an extended trial. I've got some bonuses to help you get started fast. First up, I've created a short program called Kajabi Jumpstart. It's a simple course that shows you the basics, like how to set up your Kajabi account, create and customize your website, and start building your first digital product. Then you'll also learn how to set up offers, take payments, and use Kajabi's email marketing tools to connect with your audience. It's everything you need to get started with Kajabi, step by step. Second, you'll get my premium templates completely free. These templates are worth over $900, but when you sign up with my link, you won't have to pay a single dollar. They're built to help you stay organized and productive while growing your online business with Kajabi. You'll get access to the Kajabi Jumpstart course and premium Notion templates as soon as you use my link. Once you sign up for Kajabi using my link, you'll get a whole month to try out everything on the platform. A good idea is to set a small, clear goal, like launching a mini course or creating a membership tier for your biggest fans. Write down your content, upload any videos you need, and use Kajabi's website builder to create a simple landing page. Then you could use the email marketing tools to share your new project with your audience. Even if your email list is small, it's a great way to see how Kajabi's funnels work and how it can help you grow. You could also check out my YouTube channel, where I have a bunch of videos covering almost every aspect of Kajabi. You might be curious how this extended trial works. Since I'm a Kajabi partner, I can offer a 30-day trial instead of the usual 14 days. When you sign up through my link and later become a paying member, Kajabi gives me a small portion of your monthly subscription. It doesn't cost you anything extra. This is just Kajabi's way of supporting its partners. In return, I like to give you bonuses to say thank you. You'll get my Kajabi Jumpstart course and premium Notion templates. These are all designed to help you get started easily and set you up for success. I believe in being transparent about this arrangement because it's important you know why I can offer the extended trial. My goal is to help you succeed with Kajabi. If it doesn't work for you, you can cancel without any problems. But if it does, you'll have a tool that can manage almost everything for your online business. If you're ready to try the 30-day free trial, use my special link. You can find it in the description of this video. Once you sign up, you'll get instant access to my Kajabi Jumpstart course and premium templates. During your free month, it's a good idea to set clear goals. Try to create at least one working product or lead magnet. Play around with landing pages and email setups. Upload some videos to see how the platform handles hosting. If you're feeling ambitious, you can even do a soft launch to see how your audience reacts. By the time the 30 days are up, you'll know if Kajabi fits your long-term plans. If it works for you, you'll be on your way to building a solid, profitable online business. If not, you'll still gain useful experience and ideas to use elsewhere. All right, that's it for this video, guys. I hope this gave you an idea of how Kajabi works and how you could take advantage of the extended 30-day trial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.